Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video I am going to show you guys how to wash your car from the exterior, especially in the monsoon season. As you guys can see, it is raining here and the monsoons have started, and I am going to show you guys how to quickly wash your car in the monsoon season or in the normal season as well, guys. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So guys, if you want to wash your car at home, then if you invest on a pressure washer like this, and it is very good, what this does is it gives good pressure to the normal tap water, and because of which the water comes out with good pressure, as you guys can see. Now this pressure washer I had bought 8 years back, still it is working fine, and by now guys you get lots of option and even cheaper. When I bought this washer, it was not very common, guys. I will put a link of a pressure washer in the description. If you want, you guys can go there and check it out. Then you will need a bucket like this. See that you clean the bucket well from inside. If there is any dirty water inside of the bucket, see that you throw it out. The bucket should be clean, guys, because you will be putting soap inside of it. And if all that dirt gets mixed up with your soap, then when you are applying the soap, all that dirt will come on your car paint and it will scratch your car paint. So see that you clean the bucket properly first. Then you will have to take a microfiber cloth like this. This is a cloth, guys, which absorbs water, and with this cloth even your car paint will not get scratched. So I will wet this cloth first. Then you will have to take a car wash shampoo like this. This is a 3M shampoo. If you want, you can use this one, or you can even use a shampoo that you use to clean your hair. You can use that shampoo as well, guys. Just put 2 sachets inside of the bucket and then spray pressured water inside of the bucket like this. What this will do is it will mix your soap inside the bucket only, and it will create nice froth like this. Once you are done preparing this, now you will have to wet your entire car. Now before you wet your car, see that you pull up your windshield wipers like this. Keep them standing so that you can spray water on your windshield nicely. Now you will have to wet the entire car with pressured water, especially in the corners. Wherever you think there will be too much of dirt and grime, you will have to spray water in those tight spaces. See that you spray the water on the rooftop, spray water on the glasses, and on your wheel wells, guys. You will have to clean your wheel wells properly with this pressured water, because guys, this type of pressured water you need specially for the wheel wells. Now on top of the car, you can even wet it with a normal garden pipe, but wherever your wheels are there, inside of your wheels there will be lot of dirt. Many things get accumulated inside of your wheel wells. So especially in your wheel wells, you need pressure washer like this so that you can take out that dirt. You cannot even apply proper soap there, guys, because it's too dirty. But when you have pressured water like this, then you can clean your wheel wells nicely and easily. One more important thing, guys. When you are spraying water on the front grille like this, then you should not spray for too long here, because inside of this grille there are horns, there are electrical parts. So sometimes what happens is the water goes inside of your horn and your horn will stop working properly. So see that you don't spray too much pressured water on the grill. See that you wash it lightly. And one more thing, guys, when you are using a pressure washer like this, then see that you don't spray the water in one spot for too long, and see that you don't make the spray pattern too pointed. See that you keep it like a spray only, because if you make it pointed and if you spray in one spot for too long, it's a concentrated pressure, guys. It can even damage your paint. You can adjust the spray pattern of this gun. So see that you keep it on slight spray, and see that you don't keep it too pointed, and see that you don't spray in one spot for too long, because this is high pressured water, guys. How swiftly I am moving my hand, you guys can see that here. So once you are done wetting your car, now you can stop the water, and the bucket which you had kept ready, that you will have to get now. And now you will have to start applying soap on your car. So the same cloth which I had put in my bucket, with that cloth I will wipe my car now. Now while applying soap on the car, guys, see that you keep one thing in mind, and that is, guys, when you are applying the soap, at that time, guys, you should apply the soap on the top part and all around, guys. First I have applied soap for my back glass. Now I am applying soap for my rooftop. If you guys want, then you can even apply soap on all the glasses first, and then you can start with the rooftop. You can do like that. But now when I am applying the soap, guys, I am only applying the soap on the top part of my car. I am not applying the soap below the door protectors, as you guys can see, because below your door protectors, guys, the car always is very dirty. There is lots of dirt accumulated in that part. There is lots of mud there, and if that mud gets on your cloth, then you will have to wash your cloth first, and then you will have to again dip it in the soapy water and start cleaning again. Otherwise all that dirt and mud will come on your car paint and it will scratch your car paint. So always remember this, guys. Always apply the soap on your car on the top section first. Don't mix them. Don't clean the tire first, and then with the same cloth don't clean the entire car. Like that you will scratch your entire car paint. And now these are tiny scratches, guys. At first you will not notice them, But when you wash your car for many times, your paint will become dull and the swirl marks on your car paint will be visible now. So all around, see that you apply the soap on the top section first. So once you are done applying the soap all around and on the top section, now you can start to apply the soap on the bottom section. Now when you are applying the soap on the bottom section, your cloth will become dirty very fast. So the moment it becomes dirty, see that you rinse it with clean water and don't throw that cloth directly into the soapy water. Once you clean it, you can dip it inside of the soapy water again and start applying the soap. Now when you are done applying soap on your entire car, now in the end you can start applying the soap on your wheels, on your mag wheels. You can even brush your tire because these tires are the most dirtiest, guys. And on this, there is always lots of dirt and mud. That is the reason why you should always wash them last. So once you are done applying soap on your entire car, you are done applying the soap, guys. If you want, you can even open all the doors and you can apply soap in the door jambs as well. And you can spray a little bit of water there and wipe them down. Now guys, wherever you have applied soap on your car, now it's time to rinse it well. No soap should stay on your car surface because in this soap there are chemicals, guys. And if those chemicals stay on your car surface for too long, and if you take the car in the hot sun, then it will dull your paint. That is the reason why you should rinse your car well. No soap should stay on the surface. And one more thing I want to tell you guys here. See that you don't wash your car too often. In rainy season, you can wash like this after 15 days. But in the summer season, if you wash the car even once a month like this, then it's fine. One more thing you will have to keep in mind, guys. The water that you are using to wash the car should not be salty water. If that is salty water, then it is better that you don't wash your car with that water. Because when you wash your car with salty water, then very soon your car will start to rust. It is not recommended at all, guys. So as much as possible, see that you avoid washing your car with salty water. You will have to make sure that you are using fresh water to wash your car. And once you are done rinsing your entire car with fresh water, you are not done yet, guys. You are done washing your car, but you should not keep your car wet like this for too long. The next thing that you will have to do is you will have to throw out your dirty soap water, and if you want you can use this same microfiber cloth, but you will have to wash this microfiber cloth properly. You will have to spray pressured water on top of this and take out all the soap from it. But the thing is, guys, the soap inside of this microfiber cloth doesn't go that easily. That is the reason why I recommend you guys to use a clean fresh microfiber cloth to wipe the car. So once you are done squeezing this cloth like this, the cloth will become kind of a dry. Now on this cloth there should be no mud or any dirt, guys. You will have to clean this cloth properly and thoroughly if you are using the same cloth. But if you are using another microfiber cloth, then it is always better. Now while wiping, you will have to wipe all the glasses first, then you will have to wipe your rooftop, and then you will have to wipe your car all around. And while wiping the car as well, guys, see that you wipe the top section of the car first and then wipe the bottom section, like the way that you applied the soap. In between, while wiping, you will have to wash your cloth and you will have to squeeze it like this and take out all the water. See that your cloth stays clean while wiping. There should be absolutely no dirt and mud on your cloth while wiping the car. Now this was a simple process to wash your car at home, and that too in the exterior. Now how to vacuum the car from inside, I have already made a video on that. Now whatever I have told you in this video, if you just follow it, then your car shine will stay for a long time, guys. And your car will also stay well maintained. Now the products that you can use to wash your car, I will put them in the description or on the screen here, like the soap, the pressure washer, the microfiber cloth. Now the link of all these things I will put in the description, and that too after researching, so that you guys won't have to search it for too long. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you, and I'm hoping that you have learned a lot in this video. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.